Hey guys, how you doing today? We got something amazing in front of us. I was waiting for this to come for months now. It was delayed and delayed, and finally yesterday I opened up my mailbox and I saw this coming in. I just opened it a bit to check it out what it is, but well, let me show you. Ta-da! This is a FunKey S. It's a small retro console. It's really small. I'll show you that in a minute. I supported this on Kickstarter, and I believe that they do have orders or pre-orders going in now. For anybody else who wants to buy it. They were successfully funded. This was supposed to arrive last year. I believe November was the date when they were supposed to ship these out, but you know what happened last year. Everything got postponed, and then it was supposed to be back in January. No, in December, and then they moved it to January, and then they had some other issues, and finally it arrived. I think they shipped this out just before Chinese New Year. But anyway, let's stop babbling and show you what we got in here. So as you can see, it's a really nice little box. I wish they sent it in a better package. I mean, I got a feeling that this could be easily damaged, but anyway, the box itself is really good. You have multiple color choices. I went with retro gaming gray. They're not like any markings on the sides and the back. You just have the barcode and CE logo, and that's pretty much it. But let me take you in for a spin and show you how it looks on the inside. Oh boy, I didn't open this. I was waiting for it to make a video and show you guys how it looks. Holy smoke, this is so tiny. So the idea behind this is to be a pocket, like retro console. It's like a keychain console. And wow, boy, it is small. I mean, I knew it's gonna be small, but then I didn't expect it to be this small. Look at it, it's so tiny. Wow. So first of all, it feels good. It feels rugged. On the top, we get their branding, and on the side as well. There's a micro USB port on the one side, and then keychain on the other side. And look at this, how tiny this thing is. Amazing. Then I think this is an LED, and yeah, that's pretty much it. R and L button, they feel good. Alright, let's see what else is in the box. In the box we also get USB cable for charging and data transfer, and then we get additional buttons. Yeah, so we can put in our own color scheme. That's great. And then we do have a little bit a little instruction manual. For more, visit funkyproject.com. Okay, yeah, cool. Let's see. Oh, this is nice. Look at it. When it opens up, it looks like just like a console. Okay, shortcuts, press FN. Okay, L2 and R2. Okay, zoom out, zoom in, aspect ratio. Oh, okay, I get it. So there is a function button that when you press, it changes the what the buttons do. Okay, volume, brightness. Oh, this reminds me of the BitBoy. And select, start, select. Okay, so this button turns into select. Awesome. Let me see, is there anything else in here? Oh yeah, wow, this is great. Okay, so D-pad, function, start, A, B, X, Y. Okay, and then buttons, menu, long press, power off, menu, start, exit. Awesome. Okay, up, down, left, right. Alright, and then if you press the FN key, function key, it changes to this. Awesome. Oh, this is so good. Okay, so this console, the reason I backed this up on Kickstarter is because they're open source. So FunKey is based on Linux kernel. All application, software drivers, electronic design, and mechanical design is open source. So you can find it on GitHub. So technically you can make your own. Yeah, awesome. Let's see, and then transferring files. Okay, connect USB cable to computer. Go to above menu from the launcher and confirm by pressing A. Your FunKey S is now USB memory stick. Simply copy paste files into the dedicated folders. Awesome, super easy. Yeah, great. Okay. Anyway, let's see how it looks. I haven't opened this yet, and I want to see what it comes with, what kind of games it comes loaded with right out of the gate. And I broke this. Awesome. No worries. That's fine. Okay. I'm opening this for the first time. Holy smoke. This is amazing. Wow. Okay, so this thing has a built-in speaker. This is a tiny LCD, like I believe it's 240 by 240 pixels, and then it's 1.54 inch. Okay, Game Boy, Game Boy Color, Game Boy Advance, Nintendo, Super Nintendo, Game Gear, Sega Master System, Sega Genesis, Turbo Graphics, Lynx, Neo Geo Pocket, WonderSwan Color, okay, PlayStation, and those are all the games that this system currently supports. So let's see if it came with any. Okay, the buttons feel great, regardless that they're so small. Okay, anything? Oh, okay. I never heard of this game. Blue. Oh, Retroid. Let's start with that one. All right. Let's see. Wow. Wow. This is amazing. Wow. Oh, this is amazing. All right. And then, okay, that's for volume, brightness, save, load, aspect ratio, exit game. Wow, they really did a really good job with the menu. Wow, that's awesome. Exit game. Yes, I'm sure. Okay, let's see. Snake. All right. Bouncing ball. Okay, that's pretty much what we get from here. Game Boy Color. Dry Mode, Klondike, Perplex DX, Tyrant 2000, and that's pretty much it. Okay, let's see. When it comes to Game Boy Advanced, Aguna, Warriors of Virtue, Another World, Broken Circle, Codename Hacker, and Metal Warrior 4, Motocross Challenge, Reaction, Sudoku, Tetris game, World Reborn. Okay, that's pretty much it. And Nintendo, Blockage. Okay. Inversion, Landmaster, Lunar Limit, Ralph 4, Streamers, The Legend of Owl. Okay. Let's see, Super Nintendo, Frog and S. Okay, I mean, they're cool games. I guess these were either free or they got a license for it. I don't see any like big names when it comes to the games, but that's understandable. So if you do have your own ROMs, you can put them on. I'm just interested what they put in when it comes to PlayStation. Oh, it's empty. Okay, all right, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, that's great. Okay, so I believe if you just close it, it's gonna shut off. Yes, it does. And then when you open it up, it should go back. Okay, yeah, that's great. I mean, it's amazing. Oh, okay, you can scroll through the menu like this as well. Okay, I mean, this doesn't feel half bad at all. It's awesome. Anyway, I'm just gonna play it for a bit, get a feel for it, and let you know how it feels. But right out of the gate, I can tell you this is an amazing little console. It's so small, it's so tiny, but it feels so good in hands. You don't feel cramped at all. Yeah, and the way they did the UI and you know, the premium feel of the unit. I mean, it's just great. I like how they did their job. It's awesome. Anyway, I'm gonna leave as much information as possible down below in the description, so you can actually, you know, find out more about it. I think I'm gonna make a couple more videos just to get you an update as soon as I load some files on it, and you know, I play it for a little bit. So, but right out of the gate, this is amazing. I mean, imagine you put this in your pocket, you get a little retro console to go in, you know, keychain. It's amazing. It really is. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope I'm gonna see you next time, and like this video if you like it. If you don't, wait for the next one. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye bye.